Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from pictures with Picsart application. So here, let's open the Picsart application, and whenever you open it, will be the look that you got. And now let's just go click the picture that you want to remove the emojis from, and after that, here I already have the picture that has emoji on it. To remove this emoji, we need to take a look on this bottom features here, and we need to slide these features into the left side until we found the remove. But then this tools is only available for the Pro version of the Picsart, so make sure that you upgrade your Picsart into the Pro version. And now you just need to go click these tools to open it. And for the next step, you just need to brushing the emoji that we want to remove. Make sure that you brush all of the part, and after you're done, you just need to go click remove. Wait a second, and now the emoji is already removed from your picture. So that's the way how to remove emoji on a picture by Picsart application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.